Guys, this is Amaze, a profit-making machine which lets you press one button to activate automated online stores that generate 70, 80, and even $500+ per day on autopilot. We have adapted this awesome technology in your favor, so you can apply only 3 easy-to-follow steps which practically anyone can do. Let me show you. Step 1. Activate your store in just a click. Amaze lets you activate a professional-looking, flexible, and easy-to-customize store in just a click with DFY templates included. You just simply need to add a name of your choice to identify your store and click on Build Store. And as you can see, it lets you do it in just a click. You will have your store up and running in just a sec and ready to be customized. You just need to log in and start customizing everything to your liking. Guys, we made customizing your store a total breeze. You will be able to pick the theme of your choice, customize top and footer menus, add pages, sliders, SEO, and a whole lot more, and be able to build a beautiful store just like this. And yes, guys, you will be able to set your custom domain the professional way without any delays. And we will walk you step by step how to do everything the easy way and without getting lost. Step 2. Add products to your store in less than a minute. Amaze lets you add hundreds of ready-to-profit physical, digital, or affiliate products in less than a minute and from any affiliate marketplace of your choice. Guys, this is a real professional yet simple-to-use store builder where you can manage your own products, but you don't have to deal with inventory or anything like that if you don't want to. This is because you can also add affiliate products to your store so you can avoid the inventory headache and enjoy only the commissions part of the selling process. Amaze lets you create physical and digital products you own, our physical and digital affiliate products one by one, but we have taken technology a step further so you can import a file with as many ready-to-sell products as you want in less than a minute and publish them all at once. And as you can see, it lets you do it in less than a minute. How cool is that? Step 3. Send free traffic in just a few clicks. Amaze lets you place your store in front of as many buyer eyes as you want in just a few clicks with a powerful traffic engine we have specially designed for this. Guys, we have designed a traffic generation app which is unique of its kind. This app lets you research among dozens, if not hundreds, of trendy images people are liking, so you can get inspiration to build your own trendy image related to the product you plan to promote. It lets you build your own image by using a really easy-to-handle image builder and lets you create an instant free traffic generation campaign in Pinterest like no other app would ever do for you. And as you can see, guys, it lets you do it in just a few clicks. This thing is just terrific, guys. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. There is lots more awesome stuff inside Amaze, but I can't show them all in just this short demo video. That's why we decided to create a VIP training, which consists of an over-the-shoulder premium training which will show you how to make money with Amaze the quick and easy way, step by step. Just get inside and see for yourself. Really, no other solution will give you as much value for your money. So, if you're looking to use a profit-making machine which lets you press one button to activate automated online stores that generate 70, 80, and even $500+ per day on autopilot, then try Amaze today. You'll be glad you did. See you on the other side.